Fala aí da festa, filho.
Olha, estou na dança aqui. Vai, vai.
Making sure all the brake connections are made and that there's no hydraulic fluid leaking out any place. Looking for any dings on the leading edge of the wing, make sure the pitot is clear, there's no bugs inside. Wingtip lights are on and secure. Make sure the ailerons have free movement and all the connections are tight inside the ailerons. Different aircraft have different requirements as to the pre-flight inspection. Some there's numerous places to check fuel, others just a couple of spots. Some have different requirements about where to check the oil, for example. You always want to make sure that all your fluids are good. In the case of the T-28 being such a tall aircraft, you get up and walk right out on the wing to make sure everything is right. This airplane uses the primary trainer in the United States Air Force to transition pilots into the early jet. Later models of the T-28s had 1,400 horsepower or more. Again, this aircraft about 800 horsepower. Unfortunately, I can't claim any experience in flying radial engines, but I do know there is a technique involved in flying radials. Starting them can be a little bit problematic sometimes. There is a certain technique, and if followed correctly, very, very shortly, Jerry Deal will bring those 800 horses to life right here at Hawthorne. As Jerry stands by to bring those 800 horses to life, we want to remind you that when the engine starts, of course, if she taxis away, she won't be able to hear you. So that's the time for a great big wave. Jerry yells clear, it is, and
You're afraid?
Eu não sabia que dois pode ir.
Meanwhile, on the runway, 326 representing the Condor Project from Anaheim, by John Cougar from Redmond, California. They are in position on the runway. And they'll be taking off at 55.
Demoram tanto.
Estão checando.
Mas sabe que você tem que falar hello, alright, go. Yeah. Que vai. You better record that. I think every airplane's gonna fly, even the jets. Do you have enough to do everything? Oh well. In World War II, mulheres voam também.
What?
In World War II.
What do you mean?
Mulheres voam.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Take
I
a look
didn't
over
know
there.
that.
She's a woman.
Captain Todd Woodruff.
Inaugural jump for a new demonstration.
Welcome to Hawthorne. It's a pleasure to see you jump. Captain, stand by. We have something here for you. One of the biggest supporters of the airfare every year, of course, the good people at Northrop Grumman. They are hosting us in so many ways by opening up their hangar and their properties. Here representing the folks at Northrop Grumman, Mr. Brian Boyer, Vice President for Aircraft Modifications, Overhaul and Service Programs for Military Aircraft Systems Division. Brian?
Hey, it's what? Gas?
No, it's electrical power.
I think electrical power.